Let's see how to mute audio in Canva video. First, let's open up our design. In this case, let's choose video and let's choose this landscape. To mute the video, all you need to do is upload the video you want to mute to Canva. In this case, I don't have a specific video in mind, so I'll just choose any video in Canva. First, we go to the Elements tab, go down here to the Videos tab, click See All. Let's just choose any video we want. Let's choose this. Now, it depends on the video. If your video has audio, all you need to do is go here on the top taskbar and click on this speaker and audio. And all we need to do is drag this all the way down, or we can also do it with one simple click on this icon, mute all. And that's it. That's how you mute audio in Canva video. See you soon.